Hey everybody, this is Miss Heather from the counseling office with a quick tutorial about how to use the Common Application Additional Information section. This should be completed by everybody completing a Common Application, and listen more for a few tips on how to do that. Where to find it? You can go to your Common Application, to the Common Application tab, Writing section, and the third accordion window here under the personal essay disciplinary history, and there's the additional information section. This is a dialog box where you can write or upload up to 650 words to further add value and not redundancy to your college application. The NITA student should be considering strongly to include the following things at the bare minimum. Anybody pursuing 3 diplomas should state so and discuss any scheduling issues or decisions that resulted by being, let's say, forced to comply with ministry requirements around history and Spanish or 8 blocks or anything else. Anybody that wrote an extended essay should absolutely provide the abstract from their research and any elaboration on why the research question was important to you. Anybody that completed a CAS project who feels the impact was real and measurable and valuable to you should write about that more than just listing it possibly in your activities section, as well as anybody who had completed a IB senior science project who also felt the impact was notable should write it here. Extenuating circumstances are really kind of the bread and butter of this section, and who explains that better than my colleague, the college essay guy. He wrote a really excellent blog post on this called The Brief Guide to Using the Common App Additional Information section, so I'm going to let him be the star about how to explain how to further elaborate on any extenuating circumstances related to travel or health or work or family that might have impacted your experience in school. The link to this document is in the slideshow, as well as can be found on Maya Drive. In your Maya Drive, under the Common Application folder, you can find the document here to download, how to write your Common Application Addition section. So this is your next and last piece of writing for the Common Application itself. Of course, then we're moving to supplements, but this additional information section is a very important place to describe any details related to your diploma pathways, to any components related to your IB extended essay, and to elaborate on any extenuating circumstances that may have influenced either your academic or personal record in high school. Thanks everybody, happy writing.